Hi, it's the 4th of December. Let's look at what's going on in the Chicago real estate market. All right, we're going to look at the lakefront communities, which means from the South Loop to Edgewater, and the communities immediately to the west, which includes the West Town, Wicker Park, Uptown, Logan Square areas. So let's take a look first at single family homes. 73 homes closed last month, down from the previous month, but certainly not the lowest we've had recently. 36, however, went under contract, and that is the lowest number of homes to go under contract in recent memory. 106 homes are currently for sale. That is certainly the lowest that we've seen in a while. And that translates to 1.3 months worth of inventory, meaning it'll take 1.3 months to sell out everything on the market, given the current rate of sale. Not surprisingly, when we have demand and no inventory, that means prices are going to go up, and we're at an all-time high. We had been at around $1 million to $1.2 million in median sales price in 2020. Today, we're at $1,525,000. In terms of year to date, and this is through November, 939 homes closed in the lakefront communities, and that's up 3% versus previous year, which was up 12% versus the year before that, all in a low inventory market. All right, let's switch over to attached condos, co-ops, townhomes. 546 closed last month. 530 went under contract. 1,438 are currently for sale. And again, that is the lowest that we've had in a very long time. Equates to a 1.7 month supply of properties. And just like single family homes, we're at an all-time high of 470,000. For about 3 years, we were hovering at that $400,000 mark. And then all of a sudden, starting in mid 2023, it started shooting up, and it hasn't stopped yet. Year to date, we're up a little bit versus the previous year, which was up a little bit versus 2023. Quick look at mortgage rates. 6.23 is the average from Freddie Mac. This is a nice, steady place to be, and they think it's going to be steady like this for a while. So if you were thinking about doing something, don't wait thinking rates are going to drop precipitously. Probably won't. The interesting thing is the turnover rate is the lowest it's been in decades. This is a national figure. For the first 9 months of the year, there were 27 homes that turned over out of every 100 that were in the neighborhood. So it's very slow. Interestingly enough, Chicago is number 2 in the major metropolitan areas for increases in home values. Overall, we've seen a 3.4% increase versus previous year. And you can see many markets have experienced declines. Las Vegas, Los Angeles, Denver, Atlanta, Phoenix, Dallas have all seen losses in value year over year. And this chart shows price cuts. The number of price cuts has been substantial in areas like Colorado, Arizona, Oregon, whereas we are one of the fewest at 17% of the properties in Illinois have had price cuts. The only thing that has had fewer is New York. I'm telling you, the Northeast is very strong, like the Midwest is strong. So that's what's happening in the market right now, everybody. And if you have questions about what's going on in your neighborhood with your home, if you're thinking about buying, you definitely need someone to help you find the right property. There are some strategies we can employ in this low inventory market. Thank you for watching the video. If I can help in any way, please reach out.